Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. I'm currently working as a client services manager for Beata Pediatrics. Beata is a home health care company, and in my office, I am the liaison between the nurses out in the field and the children who receive nursing care within their homes. I help coordinate to bring children home from the hospital and to allow them to get the appropriate care that they need when they are able to be discharged and live in their home again. I have worked in the past as a social worker for a skilled nursing and rehab center, and I enjoyed doing that work immensely. But I wanted to change things up and work with a different population for a little bit, which is why I am now working for Beata Pediatrics. So far, I've really enjoyed Widener's classes for the MSW program. I really have enjoyed most of the professors and how they are easy to communicate with. I've also enjoyed doing group projects in the past, which is something I didn't think I would be doing with an online course, but it was really great to get to know a lot of the other students within this course, and I've become friends with a couple of them as well through doing group projects. I'm looking forward to learning more about social welfare policy. I have taken a policy class before in my undergraduate social work class from East Stroudsburg University, and I really enjoy learning about social welfare. And I see that this class really talks about government and how that affects social welfare, so I'm really interested in learning more about it. Thanks.